it is seemingly the cash crisis, the crunch that the government cannot deny. The Reserve Bank of India is grappling to meet the deficit. Only 40% has been met so far in the ATMs. There's a 40% cash shortage that's being touted by the Reserve Bank of India, specifically in 500 rupee notes. So here's a look first at how the situation is.
More than a fortnight after Prime Minister Modi's big demonetization move comes the biggest test. The first day of the month when scores of Indians will get their salaries. As payday panic looms, banks are preparing for cash rush.
Take a look at this. I'm standing outside the ICICI Bank in central Delhi right now, and it says cash out, hence no withdrawal today. And this is the same situation that is across most banks in the national capital. The situation seems very grim.
बैंक वालों ने बोला कि जो है कैश फ्लो खत्म हो गया है, अब या तो जो आप चले जाइए। फिर हम लोगों ने रिक्वेस्ट की कि आप जो है थोड़ा बहुत तो अरेंज कीजिए, क्योंकि जो है काफ़ी देर से जो है लाइन में लगे हैं, सुबह से लाइन में लगे हुए हैं।
पहले जब हम लोग का सरकारी नौकरी है, हमारा ATM से सैलरी उठा लेता है, लेकिन ATM से भी 2000 रुपया का नोट निकालता है, इसीलिए नहीं चलता है।
So will it be Mayday or payday? Preempting cash chaos, the government and the RBI have decided to pump up liquidity and announced a slew of measures to ensure that banks are well equipped to deal with the demand for cash.
To ease the payday pains, the government has instructed banks to open additional counters and also RBI minting press are working on 3 shifts. Even lunch breaks have been cut down on the 4 printing press. Choppers have been deployed to ensure that newly minted currency is transferred to ATMs and banks. The refilling is fastest in shortest possible time, and also more focus is on first applying the new notes to the banks and then refueling ATMs.
While private sector employees will have to queue up outside banks at the beginning of the month, the government has offered some relief to its own employees.
उनका समाधान हम लगातार समीक्षा बैठकों में कर रहे हैं। ये जो सैलरी वाला विषय आया, इसका कुछ अंश हमने पहले समाधान में निकाला। 10,000 रुपये हमने उनको कैश निकालने की छूट दी।
The different set of demonetization rules for government employees is bound to anger those who will be forced to wait for hours to withdraw their own money.
About what is going to be the fate of all these people who are queuing in line outside ATMs and will now suddenly find that the money has come to their account, but the branches are closed, they are not able to withdraw their money, they don't have cash. I think it's a great test for the government in the coming days.
With over 200 million employees waiting for their salaries, payday will be a big litmus test for the Modi government and its demonetization drive. With Devina Gupta, Bureau Report, India Today.
It's the biggest litmus test for the Modi government. It's been 3 weeks since the demonetization policy was announced. Now, here's how things stand at the moment. Bank withdrawal is 24,000 rupees per week. So once you get your salary and manage to go through the queue in the banks, you can withdraw 24,000 rupees per week. Withdrawal is equal to current legal deposit. If you deposit legal currency, you can withdraw it as well of the same amount. Relaxation of wedding has been given by 2.5 lakh rupees. Jan Dhan account is up to 10,000 rupees. Withdrawal conditional. ATM withdrawal is 2,500 rupees. But here's the catch. Many ATMs are not dispensing 500 rupee notes. So it's only till 2,000 rupee notes. Exchange of old notes is only allowed at the RBI branches of 2,000 rupees. So if you have your old notes in your purse, only RBI branches is the place which can exchange old notes. Of course, you can also transact those old notes at petrol pumps, government hospitals and other 23 such outlets which have been notified by the government. Now let's go across to all our reporters who are joining us at this moment, and also joining us is India Today's Rajdeep Sardesai, and we have Indrajit also joining us from Kolkata. Mustafa is joining us from Mumbai. Rohit from Patna. Padmaja joining us from Noida as well. Going across to first India Today's Rajdeep Sardesai. Rajdeep, people getting up for a long queue today. It seems you are at the Parliament Street, not very far away from the Parliament, which has seen paralysis. How are this day going to shape up for many of the government employees as well who are standing at the Parliament Street SBI branch?
That's right. We came in about, half an hour ago. That was just before 9 a.m. The bank branch here opens at 9:45 a.m. and on a foggy morning, I think the mood in Parliament and outside is reflective of the weather. People are confused. There is uncertainty as to whether they will actually get the money and whether they will be able to withdraw the cash, because some of them have come for 3 and 4 days here and have not got cash. And this is in one of the biggest branches of the State Bank in the national capital. This young man needs to pay his rent. You've been coming here for the last couple of days. For 3 days he's been coming here. He hasn't got cash. Today is day 4 and he desperately needs to pay his rent. Tell me what your situation is.
Right now I'm like ATMs are not working, and if I go to other branch of SBI and they are not giving money, they are saying that you have to go to the home branch, and if I go to the home branch then they are saying like we don't have money and we'll give you only 6,000 4,000 and you have to go to the head office. And then I'm coming to the head office and right now somebody is saying that you'll get only 2,000 because you are not from this branch. So right now what I have to do?
How much do you need?
I need at least around 20,000 because I have to pay my rent and I have like food expenses and all, and I have to go to
Prime
college.
Minister says go cashless. The government is saying go plastic. Your landlord is not accepting cash.
That landlord doesn't have that swipe machine, right? And he wants the...
He wants cash, sorry.
Yes, he wants hard cash. And he also said that I'll be like he wants 100 rupees note, not 2,000 note, because he won't be getting any change from outside or any other dealers.
So these are the practical problems. Landlords want cash. They want the cash in 100 rupee notes. The banks won't give you 100 rupee notes. They will only give you 2,000 rupee notes. And as you can see, with every passing minute, the queue here is getting longer. In the morning when we came, about an hour ago, there were about 50 people. Now there are about 150 people, and you can expect this queue to get longer by the day. Many government employees are coming here. कोई government सरकारी कर्मचारी है यहाँ? सरकारी कर्मचारी कौन है? आपको 10,000 रुपए मिलने हैं सरकार से?
मिलेंगे सर, वो सी और डी ग्रेड को मिल रहे हैं।
सी और डी?
मैं अध्यापक हूँ सर, मुझे नहीं मिलेंगे।
आपको नहीं मिलेंगे? आप अध्यापक हैं, आप ए और बी कैटेगरी में आते हैं, इसलिए आपको नहीं मिलेंगे। आप कितने दिन से आ रहे हैं?
मैं दूसरी बार आया हूँ यहाँ पे।
पहली बार मिला था पैसा?
मिल गया था,
और इस बार भी मिलने की पूरी उम्मीद है?
उम्मीद है, क्योंकि ये जो हमारी ब्रांच है जीटी रोड की, वहाँ पर रश इतना है कि मैं पहुँच ही नहीं पा रहा वहाँ तक।
Remember the smaller branches. Smaller branches are the ones which are under the maximum strain, which is why number of people are coming from different parts of Delhi to here to the head office in the hope that the head office will have more cash than the smaller branches. These are the practical difficulties that people are facing. It's not easy when you have to get up at 5 a.m. in the morning, take a metro from a distant suburb of Delhi and come to the head office of the State Bank on a winter morning. And as many people here told me, there is not a single neta, not a single bureaucrat who's going to line up outside Parliament Street. It is the Aam Aadmi. सही है ना? कोई नेता कोई नहीं आता ना यहाँ? कोई नहीं आता इधर। हाँ, कोई नेता तो नहीं आने वाला? कोई नहीं। हाँ,
ये हेड ऑफिस है, फिर भी एक भी एटीएम इसमें शुरू नहीं है अभी, मतलब कैश नहीं निकाल सकते। अगर हेड ऑफिस का ये हाल है तो और ब्रांचों का क्या होगा?
Important point. Even the head office ATM does not have cash. Now, if the State Bank of India's head office does not have cash, what are you going to do about the smaller branches?
रात कह रहे थे कि सारे एटीएम में 500 के और 2,000 के नोट भर दिए जाएंगे, मगर मैं भी 10 एटीएम से घूम के आ रहा हूँ, कहीं भी कैश नहीं है, सारा बंद पड़ा है।
किसी एटीएम में?
किसी भी एटीएम में नहीं है।
किसी एटीएम में?
किसी भी नहीं।
ATMs have run out of cash clearly, and this is in the head office. This is in the head office of the State Bank of India. In the smaller branches, as people are saying, they are finding it extremely difficult, which is why they are forced to come to Parliament Street, to the head office. As you rightly said, Devina, Parliament just 1 kilometer away, and you can expect Parliament to be adjourned yet again. The MPs don't have to worry about their daily expenses. The people of this country have to worry about their daily expenses. हाँ, क्या बोलना है आपको?
सर, मैं ये पूछना चाह रहा हूँ सरकार से कि दूसरे राज्य से जो लोग आए हुए हैं वो अपने अकाउंट में जो पैसे जमा करने के लिए 2-2, 3-3 घंटा लाइन में खड़े होके जब पहुँचते उनका नंबर आता है तो सरकार पूछती है KYC अपने ब्रांच से, शाखा से KYC करवाओ। क्या लोग दूसरे राज्य से आए हुए हैं तो इतना जल्दी घर जाके KYC कैसे करेंगे, उसके पैसे जमा कैसे होंगे और कैसे वो अपने ATM से पैसे निकालेंगे?
ठीक है, आपने एक प्रैक्टिकल डिफिकल्टी दी है। पीपल हु आर कमिंग फ्रॉम अदर स्टेट्स, हाउ डू दे गेट देयर वेरिफिकेशन, देयर KYC वेरिफिकेशन? प्रैक्टिकल प्रॉब्लम्स आर देयर, and these are the practical problems that the government will have to deal with. The other big practical problem is the 500 rupee note. The government claims they are pumping in more 500 rupees notes into the system, but at the moment the general belief is that the money which is coming in is still in 2000s. You're still not getting enough 500 rupee notes into the system. The ATMs are struggling to cope up with the rush, which is why this really is the next big challenge. You start this month of December. Remember, the Prime Minister's deadline is December 30th, and 4 weeks to go. You can see that the cash crunch has not really eased in the manner that the government is claiming it has. I think someone from the government, from Parliament, once Parliament is adjourned, should come to this Parliament Street branch and see the reality on the ground. That, I think, will wake up some of our policy makers to the difficulties that people are facing. Devina.
Well, Rajdeep, is the bitter irony, because it's the taxpayers' money being wasted every minute of the parliament paralysis, and here you are standing in the line for your own money outside the banks and the ATMs. Now, here's a look at what the Reserve Bank of India has done to ease out cash crisis. Rajdeep, thanks for that report. You have 20 to 30% extra cash for salary branches that's been dispersed at the moment. You have adequate manpower being provided. Banks have been asked to open extra counters as well to ease out the rush. Clearly, it needs to be seen whether it's working on the ground or not, because there is no cash. 500 rupee note is the one which is in short supply. Choppers have been deployed to ensure there is enough currency supply, and the printing press, and I can tell you this from sources in the finance ministry, are working in 3 shifts. They had 2 shifts earlier. Even the lunch breaks have been cut down so that new currency can be printed faster, that can be transported faster. To every 4-kilometer distance, choppers are being deployed as well, because the major challenge is to refill these banks and ATMs as well. Let me go across to Padmaja Joshi also, who's standing in Noida, I believe, Padmaja, which is also a commercial hub, many media offices around here, and behind you, that's the queue that I've seen almost every day I pass through that junction, because by the time it's afternoon, many people are angry as well. Many banks put their shutters down. The currency just vanishes with so much of demand and short supply.
Absolutely, and in fact, Devina, like you were mentioning, the central bank has said that more cash is going to be pumped in today. We certainly hope that happens, because what we've seen happening over the last few days is that cash is in short supply, and even though the withdrawal limit is 24,000, the banks themselves have imposed an upper limit of about 10,000, and this was something that was done in a couple of banks here in this area as well. The queue behind me, in fact, I have to tell Rajdeep, if there are some people there who can come this side, perhaps they should, because we see about 50 people in the morning. There was just a trickle of about 5 to 6. These were the people who wanted to have the early movers advantage, and now it has come to about 50 to 60 people who have queued up. 9:30 is when this branch is going to open. A lot of people are here, who need the money. They need hard cash to meet their expenses in the month to come. A few of them, like that gentleman with Rajdeep, want to and they want to pay their household help. Some of them run small businesses. They want to pay their employees. Let's ask a few of these people. आप यहाँ पर पैसा लेने आए हैं? किस लिए आपको चाहिए पैसा? क्योंकि प्रधानमंत्री तो कहते हैं कि आप कैशलेस इकोनॉमी है, आप कार्ड से काम कीजिए, चेक से काम कीजिए, आपको कैश की जरूरत क्यों?
एटीएम में पैसा रहेगा तब ना कार्ड से काम करेंगे, ऐसे कैसे करेंगे? सुबह 5:30 बजे से नंबर में खड़े हैं, बता रहे गार्ड बता रहे कि पैसा ही नहीं है ब्रांच में।
अच्छा, अभी ये आपको कुछ सर्वर की भी प्रॉब्लम बीच में
कल हुई थी।
अच्छा,
कल नेटवर्क नहीं है।
अच्छा, तो कितनी देर तक की तकलीफ होती है?
थोड़ी देर के लिए, ज़्यादा 20-25 मिनट के लिए सर्वर डाउन हो गया था, फिर आ गया था नेटवर्क।
अच्छा,
चलो
आप बताइए कि आपको जो पैसे निकालने के लिए आप आए हैं, किस चीज़ के लिए आपको कैश की आवश्यकता है?
घर में खर्चे की जरूरत है, इसलिए पैसे की जरूरत है। सैलरी आ गई है, सैलरी की जरूरत है।
मकान मालिक को देना है, किसी को भी देना है, तो वो पैसे निकाल के ही तो दे सकते हैं।
अच्छा,
चेक लेने को राजी नहीं है ना, वो क्या कैसी चाहिए मुझे।
अच्छा,
वो जो बोला मैं चेक दूंगा, तो वो क्या मैं थोड़े ना लाइन में लगूंगा।
अच्छा, तो वो चेक डालने के लिए लाइन में नहीं लगना?
हाँ, यही प्रॉब्लम है उसके।
अच्छा, मतलब सैलरी आ गई है अकाउंट में, बट जेब में नहीं आई?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
क्यों चाहिए आपको? अभी क्या जरूरत है?
मेन मुझे रेंट पे करना है और घर पे भी पैसा भेजना है, क्योंकि मेरे पापा तो अभी सिचुएशन में है नहीं, जैसे वे एज है तो लाइन में नहीं लग सकते ना, तो यही है। कैसे करें, कमाया भी है और यूज भी नहीं कर पा रहे। सुबह 6 बजे से आगे लाइन में लगना पड़ रहा है। कल सैलरी आई है, क्या करें?
आपने कल भी कोशिश की थी अपनी सैलरी विड्रॉ करने की?
नहीं, कल आई थी तो मैं आज ही आ गया। अभी मुझे लग रहा है 5-4 दिन ऐसे ही लाइन में लगना पड़ेगा, तब निकलेगी।
तो आज जॉब पे नहीं जाएंगे, आज सैलरी के लिए ही रुके रहेंगे?
देखते हैं, अगर हाफ डे तक हो गया तो जाएंगे, नहीं तो वो भी गया। क्या?
अच्छा, ये बताइए यहाँ पर कौन लोग हैं जिनको अर्जेंट आज ही चाहिए पैसा और किस चीज के लिए चाहिए आपको? आप जो यहाँ पैसा विड्रॉ करें, क्या 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 जरूरत है आपको?
मेरे को घर जाना है और मेरे को मेरे भाई की शादी है।
घर यानी कहाँ?
मेरे को यूपी में जाना है।
अच्छा।
मतलब बनारस में।
अच्छा।
ठीक है, तो वहाँ मेरे को चाहिए पैसा और मेरे को थोड़ा बहुत ही मिल जाए, कम से कम मेरे को जाने के लिए हो जाए पैसा एटलीस्ट, और मैं जा।
पर ये बताइए, जैसे कि जब ये आर्ग्यूमेंट दिया जाता है, शादी के लिए तो खैर आप विड्रॉ कर ही सकते हैं, 2.5 लाख का आपका अपर लिमिट है, आपके पेरेंट्स।
नहीं, मेरे को अपने पर्सनल खर्चे के लिए चाहिए। मतलब घर के लिए तो है खर्चे, मतलब घर के लोगों ने पैसा तो ले लिया, लेकिन मेरे को अपने पर्सनल खर्चे के लिए कुछ तो थोड़ा बहुत।
टिकट आप ऑनलाइन करा लीजिए।
नहीं, टिकट तो मैंने करा लिया, लेकिन घर को जाने के लिए यहाँ से अगर हम जाएंगे तो कुछ घर के भी ऐसे खर्चे होते हैं जो हमें जो है परचेज करने पड़ते हैं। वहाँ पर जो है कोई जो है मतलब आप कार्ड के थ्रू स्वाइप नहीं कर सकते वहाँ पर, तो हमें कुछ थोड़े बहुत भी मिल जाएगा। 5,000
तकलीफ ये भी है कि अगर आप कौन से शहर में हो यूपी?
मैं यूपी में बलिया डिस्ट्रिक्ट में हूँ।
बलिया से है, तो वहाँ पर शायद आधी जगह पर कार्ड स्वाइपिंग नहीं होगा।
कार्ड स्वाइपिंग नहीं होगा तो एटलीस्ट 5,000
एटीएम है वहाँ पे पर्याप्त?
नहीं, वहाँ पर्याप्त तो नहीं होगा मेरे ख्याल से, ज़्यादा तो नहीं होगा, लेकिन एटलीस्ट कम से कम 5,000 6,000 भी मिल जाए तो कम से कम वहाँ पर जब हम जाएं तो कम से कम हमें कैश की थोड़ी भी प्रॉब्लम ना हो। मतलब कोई भी
जेब में कैश होना चाहिए, क्योंकि वहाँ पे इमरजेंसी के लिए पता नहीं अगर एटीएम मिले ना मिले, कैश हो या ना हो। एंड यू नो द मेन वरी राइट नाउ देवीना ऑफ दीज पीपल इज, आप भी कह रहे थे आपको जरूरी पैसा चाहिए, जरूरी कैश क्यों चाहिए?
मैम कैश इसलिए चाहिए क्योंकि एक्चुअली में मैं पिछले 15 दिन से मेरे पास पैसे नहीं, मैं उधार से ले लेके कम चला रहा हूँ, और अभी तक एक्चुअली मेरी सैलरी आई है, तो मुझे पैसे रोज के खर्च के भी उधर जिससे लिया रखे हैं उसके मुझे देने हैं। वो किराया भी नहीं दिया, किराया मकान मालिक भी बोल रहा है भाई मुझे पैसे चाहिए।
तो मकान मालिक चेक में क्यों नहीं ले सकते आप?
चेक के लिए बोला, वो कह रहा है मुझे कैश चाहिए।
अच्छा,
कैश के लिए बोल रहे हैं।
Okay, so you know all these ideas that the government says that you should go cashless, you should with checks, you should work with plastic money, but then how do you deal with these practical problems where the person, the recipient, simply refuses that kind of a transaction, and like we said, an emergency situation where they can't leave things to chance about there not being enough ATMs. For example, right here in Noida, look at this, you have an ATM, in fact you have a bank branch, a huge one that is, where already there are murmurs about there being no cash at all right now. Yesterday there was a server problem, people walked away disappointed, and today, if on payday this happens, there's going to be a bit of an issue, Devina.
And that's the 22nd day after the Modi government's policy announcement, Padmaja. 90% transaction being done in cash in a country like ours. A digital push, although with a good intention, will take time. What happens today? We go across to Virendra from Mumbai, Rohit from Patna, and Indrajit from...